Hello children, welcome to my channel. Today we will see class 7 practice set 35. Here questions are given as to multiply the sum of the polynomials is been given. So we have to multiply it. We will learn how to do it in simple way. First question is given as 16xy multiplied by 18xy. So children, always remember to write x in this cursive letter form, not in this, because it gets confused. So we prefer to write it in cursive letters. So let's see how to multiply this. First we will multiply the numbers. That means 16 multiplied by 18 will give you the answer as 288. We have done the normal multiplication. Next, coming for the variables, children, we have to multiply the variables also. That means x and x. If 2x are multiplied, means you have 2x, so we will write in this form x square. Understanding children? X square. Same way we have 2y. So we will be multiplying 2y, so you will get the answer as y square. Y square. Understanding children? You have to multiply the variables also. Don't forget this. We'll see the second question. 23xy square multiplied by 4yz square. So we'll see how to do this. Here also we will first multiply the numbers. That is simple. 92. 23 4 gets us 92. Now coming for the variables. Here you have only one x. In the second term there no x are there, so we will write only x. Understanding children? Now coming for y, here two y's are there, and in the next question only one y is there. So if you add both, you will get y3. Means here 2 and here nothing is there, means 1. So 2 plus 1 becomes 3. Understanding children? So y raised to 3. Coming for z, in first question there is no z terms. In the second question it is there, so we will write z square. So this is the answer for second question. I hope you are understanding children. If you do like it and share it with your friends and subscribe my channel children. We'll see the third question. 12a plus 17b. This term is being written in brackets. So don't forget that children. Multiplied by 4c. So we have to multiply 4c for both the numbers. For 12a also and for 17b also children, because that term is written inside the bracket. Understanding children? So how we will be doing? 12a we will multiply 4c. Again for 17b we will multiplying 4c. What I have done? I have written 12a and 17b and I have multiplied this 4c to both the numbers. Understanding children? Because it is been inside the bracket. Now the normal multiplication comes. 12 4s are the numbers you have to take. It gives you the answer as 48. Coming for the variables a and c. Understanding children? Plus 17 4s are 68. Coming for the variables b, c. So this is your answer. Understanding children? Coming for the next question. Question number 4. 4x plus 5y, 9x plus 7y. Now both the numbers have been written inside the bracket. In the third sum it was only one polynomial inside the bracket. Now in this two polynomials are inside the bracket. So what we will be doing? I'll tell you one simple trick. We need to write the second term. This is our second term, so we will write it two times. That means 9x plus 7y. We have written it two times. Understanding children? I'll telling you the simple way to solve this. Now coming for the first term, 4x is there, so we will put 4x here, and this plus y with the sign we will be writing this side. What we have done? We have splitted the terms. Now we'll see how to do this. We have to do multiplication. Bracket means multiplication. We have already learned. 4 9s will give you the answer as 36. X and x. How many x are there? 2. So it will become x square. Understanding children? Plus 4 with 7. We have done with 9. Now with 7. The numbers have to be multiplied. 4 7s will give you the answer as 28. And what are the variables in this? X, y. Understanding children? Plus 5 nines are will give you the answer as 45. Coming for the variables, here y and here x. So to arrange in alphabetical order x, y. We have arranged it and written at x, y. Understanding, children? Now coming for next, plus, plus. Don't forget for the signs also. This plus and plus will give you the answer as plus, and 5 sevens are will give you the answer as 35, and y variables 2y are there, so y square. I hope you are understanding, children. If you find any difficulty, you can write me in the comment box. I will surely reply to your comments. Now one more step is there in this. 36x square. Now xy and xy terms are 2. So we will do the addition for both the numbers. Plus 28 plus 45 will give you the answer as 73xy. So we have combined both the xy terms together. Plus no terms are there for y square, so we will write 35y square. Understanding, children? So this way addition of two polynomials is being done. This concept is very important for your further classes also. Coming for the second main question. Question is given as a rectangle is 8x plus 5 centimeter long and 5x plus 3 centimeter broad. Find its area. Now we have to find the area. Drawn one rectangle. Long means, you know, that means its length. Length is the bigger part. So this length is given as 8x plus 5 and 5x plus 3 is broad. So this side will become 5x plus 3. Understanding, children? Now rectangle has two length. So if this is 8x plus 5, this side, and breadth also will be 5x plus 3. Now in this we will be using the area of rectangle formula. As question is given of rectangle, so we will be using area of rectangle formula, that is length into breadth. We have learned. So what is the length in this? This side is your length. So we will put 8x plus 5 as length and multiplied by what is the breadth in this? 5x plus 3. Understanding, children? I am writing the second polynomial 2 times and the first polynomial, that is 8x plus 5. We have separated that terms. Understanding, children? We have done the previous question. Same way we have to do this question also. So 8 5s will give you the answer as 40 and x2 are there, so it will become x square, plus 8 3s will give you the answer as 24x, plus 5 5s will give you the answer as 25x, plus 5 3s will give you the answer as 15. Understanding, children? Now one last step is there in this. We will be writing as 40x square plus 24. Here x terms are there, so we will add both that. It will give you the answer as 49x plus last number is 50. So don't forget for the units also, as it is a question for area. So don't forget to put the unit also. It always comes as square, and what is the unit given in the question? It is given as centimeter. So this way only your question gets completed. Understanding, children? So this is a complete answer for question number 2. So this way we have completed problem set 35. Do check for my previous videos also. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you, students.